everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And these are some of our favorite things to eat in Times Square. Let's go! Times Square is one of the most crowded spots in New York City, filled with fun activities, great nightlife, and loads of shopping. While there are so many places you can enjoy a meal in the area, we want to share our favorite places for each time of day.
Our favorite breakfast spot around Times Square is Toasties. Toasties is a local deli chain with several locations around Midtown Manhattan that serves up pastries, bagels, sandwiches, and salads until the late afternoon. We love that you can create your own sandwich or choose from pre-made selections. My custom breakfast sandwich is always super fresh with freshly cooked eggs and crispy sausage on soft rye bread.
The muffins are always moist, and you can tell they make the bagels fresh. They also have a variety of lunch options like a create-your-own salad or deli sandwich. The prices are super reasonable with consistent value for the money. A bagel with butter is only $2.50, and David's custom sandwich with 2 eggs, bacon, sausage, and cheese on rye bread is $10. It costs us about the same as grabbing breakfast at McDonald's, and the quality is much better.
You can order ahead for no fee and it should be ready to pick up in 15 minutes or less. Or you can walk in and order at the counter. No matter if you want some local pastries or something more hearty to start your day, we suggest giving any of the Toasty locations a try for a tasty breakfast in Times Square.
My bonus pick for a morning pick-me-up is Blue Bottle Coffee on 40th Street across from Bryant Park. Blue Bottle is a worldwide chain, but we don't have any near where we are, so I always take the chance to swing by and grab a Nola iced coffee when I can. A large is around $6.50, which is a little pricier than a Starbucks, but I love their blend of coffee, oat milk, and chicory. You can get it hot or iced, but I find the Nola extremely refreshing on a hot summer's day. And our absolute favorite place for brunch or lunch in Times Square is Ellen's Stardust Diner on the corner of Broadway and 51st Street. Ellen's was founded in 1987 by a former Miss Subways and was the first 1950s-themed diner in New York. But beyond the theme, it's most famous for its singing waitstaff of Stardusters that croon Broadway and popular hits while taking your order and serving up drinks to the customers. The atmosphere is so much fun, no matter if you're seated downstairs near the catwalk or upstairs with a bird's eye view. And even though I have enough fun enjoying the music, the food is actually really tasty.
They have breakfast all day, along with traditional diner fare, including burgers and milkshakes. We've tried many things here, from perfectly cooked cinnamon roll pancakes as big as your head to seasoned chicken tenders and delicious waffle fries.
And of course, I had to try Rachel's mac and cheese. Everything we've had is hot, fresh, and delicious, and getting to watch our servers sing their heart out while eating adds a fun dimension at any time of day. Keep in mind that they don't take reservations. If you want to dine at Ellen's, just show up and get in line. They do a good job of turning over tables, but you can expect to wait anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes or longer during the mealtime rush.
It's a little pricey though. Breakfast entrees and desserts cost around $20, while lunch and dinner dishes range from $20 to $40. Plus, they automatically add a 20% gratuity to your bill. They also collect additional tips for your singing waitstaff, and they use them for voice or dance lessons for the week. All in all, though, you get a good amount of delicious food for the cost and a really fun memory to take with you.
For dinner in Times Square, there's really only one place we keep coming back to, and that is Carmine's Italian restaurant. Though the 44th Street location right off of 7th Avenue is not their original location, that one is on the Upper West Side, we think it's the best place for dinner whether you're going to a show or just seeing the sights of Midtown.
And if you've watched our video about our favorite eats in Las Vegas, you'll know that our love for this restaurant is universal across all of its locations. They serve family-style portions of Italian favorites in a warm, inviting dining space made up of 2 floors.
It's so good that a reservation is pretty much required unless you don't mind sitting at one of their 2 bars, which do have the full menu and are first come, first serve. Every meal comes with a basket of freshly baked bread, and we recommend saving it to dip into your pasta sauce of choice. Their pastas are always cooked to the perfect al dente, no matter if you get the penne or the angel hair. Our favorite sauce is the garlic and oil to pair with pretty much any entree. It's packed with flavor and chunks of garlic.
The Caesar salad is fresh and delicious, the perfect mix of lettuce, cheese, croutons, and homemade dressing. Our favorite entree is the chicken parmesan. The marinara is an ideal mix of salty and sweet on top of perfectly cooked chicken, and the layer of cheese on top creates the perfect ratio.
And if you have any room for dessert after the generous portions, we highly recommend the Titanic or its smaller secret menu version called the Tugboat. The Titanic is vanilla and chocolate ice cream over a chocolate torte with whipped cream, bananas, strawberries, candied pineapple, hazelnuts, hot fudge, and cookie smokestacks. The ice cream is homemade and tastes it, and the torte leaves us digging for more in every bite.
Since all the dishes are served family style, you can expect to pay around $30 for your choice of sauce with pasta, and between $35 to $50 for a meat based entree. But they all easily serve 2 to 3 people, and we think it's completely worth it. We've eaten at Carmine's too many times to count now and never been disappointed in the food.
There are so many dessert shops in and around Times Square, but one of our recent favorites is New York Bakery and Desserts. They have several locations, but the one on Broadway between 47th and 48th Streets is the perfect place to go anytime since it's open 24 hours a day. They sell ice cream and coffee made fresh to order, and their walls are lined with fridges filled with almost any kind of cake you can imagine. From New York staples like over a dozen varieties of cheesecake to mousse cakes, cupcakes, and chocolate dipped strawberries, there's something for everyone with a sweet tooth.
Our favorites here are the strawberry shortcake, Italian cannoli cake, and the Oreo mousse cake. The cake itself is super moist and fluffy, and there are plenty of toppings no matter which kind you choose.
The shop itself is super loud and congested, so we suggest ordering ahead unless you aren't sure what you want. But they do charge a slightly higher price on apps like Seamless and DoorDash, anywhere from between 10 cents to $1 more per item. In store, they charge around $9 for a slice of cake or 2 black and white cookies, and around $6 for a cupcake, which is pretty reasonable in Times Square. We did, however, have a not so fresh whoopie pie one time, so make sure you check your items before leaving the store.
Otherwise, we love the variety of treats and that they really travel extremely well. So we highly recommend giving New York Bakery and Desserts a try no matter what time of the day it is.
Thanks everyone for joining us for our favorite places to eat in Times Square. What do you think? Did we miss anywhere? Do you have any questions about where we did go? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content from us, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. But for now, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And we hope this video helps you find the right direction for your next adventure. Bye!